Hi, I'm Diana. Welcome to the Country Life Kitchen. Today we are going to be making zucchini fritters. I'll start by grating the zucchini into a bowl. We will add some tahini, some chickpea flour that will help to bind the ingredients together. We'll season it with a little ground mustard and some cayenne. We'll add some fresh lemon juice, and we'll dice up some nice green onions to add into the mixture. And while the zucchini mixture is in the bowl setting with the chickpea flour will absorb the moisture from the zucchini, and it will allow the mixture to bind together. And while that is sitting in the bowl, we will mix up the dressing for this zucchini fritter by using our tofu sour cream. We will mix that with some fresh lemon juice, and we'll add our brand new Country Life ranch seasoning for the topping. While the sauce is setting in the bowl, we will fry the zucchini fritters in just a little bit of oil, lightly fry them on each side for about 3 to 4 minutes. And when that's done, we'll top it with the ranch dressing, and it will be a wonderful dish. Well, that's it. We've made it. So enjoy your zucchini fritters. Please like, subscribe, and share. And if you would, comment at the bottom and let me know what you would put on top of your zucchini fritters.